Hi guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Pitch. Pitch is a point trick card game that has a lot of variations. In this video I will tell you about the 5-point pitch variation. The game is using a regular deck 52 cards from 2 choices. The, the rank of cards, the rank of non-trump cards is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. The rank of trump cards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Jack, which is a trump Jack, color Jack, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. So you choose the lowest card while Ace is the highest. The amount of players is always 4, divided into 2 teams of 2 players. The objective is getting at least 10 points. Deal. Each player is getting 3 cards, with 3 cards at a time. Alright. Then the deal ends and the gameplay begins. So, oh wait, no. The bidding ends. Oh wait, no. The deal ends and the bidding begins. The leftmost player sitting near the dealer goes first. Everyone is announcing their point amount, from 2 to 5, or they can pass. So yeah. And pass, so yeah. The so next player, if the next player wants to announce, then they must say an increase, the amount increased by at least 1 point. So yeah. However, that rule does not apply to the dealer. So yeah. A bid of 5 points is called shoot the moon, and the dealer can keep it. So yeah. So after each announcement, the bidding ends and the gameplay begins. So the bidding winner, which is the owner of the highest amount of points announced, goes first, and their first card reveals the trump for the round. So yeah. So the owner of the highest card gets the trick and puts the next card. However, players are obligated to follow the suit only if the leading card has a trump. So yeah. And 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 Jake, sorry for the long pause. The putting Jake and putting Jake onto the leading trump card and putting a trump card onto the leading Jake is allowed. The oh no is an obligatory situation. So yeah. And the owner of the lowest trump card, which is usually 2, but if 2 is not, basically if the 2 is not received in the deal, then the next card in the rising rank becomes the lowest trump card. So yeah. So basically, the owner of the card keeps it after keeps it. Basically, always keeps it for themselves. So yeah. So the the gameplay ends and the scoring begins after receiving every trick. The value of cards and points. Jack gives 1 point, Queen gives 2 points, King gives 3 points, Ace gives 4 points, and 10 gives 10 points, which means that Jack gives the lowest amount while 10 is giving the highest. So the team with the highest amount of those points gets 1 game point, and besides that, 4 aspects are also giving 1 point. The lowest trump card, the highest trump card, trump jack, and jack. So yeah. So so the team will get if the team fails get to get the points, basically points points that were announced in the bidding, then they're getting minus points based on the made bid. So yeah. And the score less than 0 give it basically puts the team in the hole. So yeah. And the shoot the moon bid basically the successfully completed shoot the moon bid instantly gives its owners a win in the game if they're having at least 0 points. So yeah. So after rating and possibly wait no after counting and possibly writing every point, the scoring with the round ends and the next one begins. The game goes until one of the teams getting at least 10 points. However, if both teams got 10 points, then a beating winners. Uh, then the beating team always wins, even if the non-beating team has more points. So yeah. Then the game ends and you can play another game or play a different game. So yeah. Alright, I told you everything about this game. I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. I hope you now know how to play 5-point pitch, and since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now, so goodbye everyone.